Okay.
Just Hari, just go through rules one more time, just so
Yes,
that.
yes. So we have the rules here. As we are quite a few matches into this league already, I'm sure we are all familiar with the rules. But once again, nominations come from the team captain, and no one else is allowed to discuss or call out answers in between. And for the team rounds, please discuss in between your teams and give me one answer.
Okay.
Okay. Questions
Pandey,
passed.
you can see all four of us, no?
Yes, I can see you guys.
Okay.
Questions pass only in the individual round, and for both team rounds, the questions don't pass. We good, 2 points for direct individual answers, 1 point for pass team answer, and 1 point for the if the next team also answers.
Okay.
Okay.
Devanjan is keeping scores from our side.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's go. Peter Panchali, please select one topic.
I'll take street artists.
Street artists. Street artists, go to Debo first. Question 1. Who made a documentary called Exit Through the Gift Shop in 2010 about a street artist called Mr. Brainwash, Thierry Guetta, which was nominated for the Academy Award for the Best Documentary Feature?
Banksy.
Okay, I have an answer already. Look at the answer, and answer is Banksy. Debo gets 2 points. We'll go back to street artists. Question number 2. Around 1978, when he was just 17, Jean-Michel Basquiat, along with high school friend Al Diaz, created graffiti and street art in New York, all signed as SAMO, which stood for what? Basquiat later became famous as a neo-expressionist painter. 3 words in your answer.
Street art Manhattan.
Sorry, street art Manhattan. I'll have to pass you. Sachin, please nominate.
Okay, no one's saying anything. I'll say this is. I'll nominate myself. So I'll say this is street art modernism.
Street art modernism, I'll pass. I'm passing it to Jun.
Okay, I'll answer. Same old shit.
Which?
Same old.
Say which is correct?
Shit.
Which is same old shit.
Next.
1 point for Jun. Congrats to both teams for opening their scores in the first round itself. Your topic now.
You're muted.
Nakamute ka, Joseph.
Okay. I'll choose the Philippines.
Okay. Very topical topic.
Obviously. Yeah.
I wish we had India in one of the. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. Going to the Philippines. Opening with question 1. Give us one word to connect all of these. Philippines from 35 to 46, setting aside Japanese occupation. The English state from the death of Charles I in 1649 to the restoration in 1660. 3 countries presently, Australia, Bahamas, and the Dominica. 4 US states and 2 US territories currently.
Commonwealth.
That is the right answer. The answer is Commonwealth. That is 2 points. Going to question 2 of Philippines. Which Catholic-owned radio station documented and influenced the Philippine People Power Revolution in 86, which overthrew Marcos, broadcasting non-stop over 4 days as the world listened?
Radio Veritas.
That is a right answer. Again, for a full 4 points in this round for millennial factors. Okay, Peter Panchali, your selection.
I'll go with ratios.
Ratios. All right. Question 1 on ratios. Okay.
Just go down.
Nope.
Not linking.
Not.
Right arrow. It will go to question 1.
Just no, escape screen and do it. Like stop sharing screen.
Yeah.
Then check.
Yeah, when I was actually thinking ratios. Huh? Homage, no?
Let me just quickly hyperlink this. Is visible now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I will have to probably go back to select question 2 again in a similar fashion. So, Rao, question for you.
Okay. What object of
Sorry, yeah.
everyday
What
use?
object of everyday use rapidly declining in use uses an aspect ratio of 1 is to square root of 2, regardless of its size?
Okay. Pass.
Nominations, Peter Panchali.
Sachin, you have to decide.
Okay. I'll nominate Pi.
Is this a mirror?
This passes to millennial factor.
Yeah. I'll say root mean square.
No, not root mean square.
Non-comp guess.
Television.
Yeah, non-comp guess from pi, yes.
This is a magnifying glass.
Television. I think.
No, this is neither television nor magnifying glass. This is a fairly simple answer which we see every day. And the answer is a size of paper.
Damn it.
Which also works. A3 is double the area of A4 also.
Yeah.
Because of the ratio in between.
Nice question, actually.
Nice question. Very nice question.
We'll go back to ratios. Let's see if this will work or not. Question 2, again, it's not working. I'll have to stop the share and select it again.
Okay.
Just a minute. Yeah, this is to Rao direct now. The question is, what will a Cauchy ratio test or a D'Alembert ratio test tell you about a mathematical series?
Okay, I will guess saying it will tell you whether it is an arithmetic progression.
No. Anyone else from Peter Panchali?
Okay, I'll nominate myself. So it will tell you whether the series is convergent or divergent.
That is the right answer.
I remember this in engineering very briefly. Just
Now
a
it's
name.
like mathematical series either converge or diverge. That's the biggest question they try to answer. Like, huh?
Okay.
Okay, so back to millennial factors. Please select the topic. Rovi.
Okay, I will choose.
Oh, wait. Books. All right. Going to question 1 in books. Just a minute. Yeah. Question 1 in books is Dr. Sear's books and to think that I saw it on Mulberry Street and if I ran the zoo will stop being published because of racist and insensitive imagery. Other titles affected include McElligot's Pool, On Beyond Zebra, Scrambled Eggs Super, and The Cat's Dash. Which word familiar to us completes the last name title? In the book, The Cat in the Hat poses questions like, do fish sleep with one eye open? What do they call one-eyed eyeglasses? Are snails faster than turtles, etc., etc.? What we want is the blank.
Unahat tinru. Hat tinru. Sorry, you. I think.
Hari, can you?
Yeah.
You heard my answer. Hat tinru.
Oh, sorry, I didn't get that. Can you?
On the hat tinru.
Hot tin roof? No. No. Passes.
Josa.
Riddles.
Sorry?
Riddles.
No, not readers. Pass to Peter Panchali.
Okay, I'll nominate Debanjan.
Yeah.
The Cat's Trivia.
No, that is not the answer we are looking for. But yeah, non-comp.
No, just
Sorry, non-com guess. Nerd. Is this nerd by any chance?
The Cat's
No.
Questions. The
Cradle, the cat's cradle.
Quiz.
No.
Go to the
So
answer.
the answer is Quizzer.
Hey.
I thought quiz, but then I thought I don't know. Maybe it's something else.
Damn.
Okay. Going back to the second question in books. One critic railed that it was the veriest trash more suited to the slums than to intelligent, respectable people. Little Women author Louisa May Alcott lashed out at the author. If Dash cannot think of something better to tell our pure-minded lads and lasses, he had best stop writing for them. That the N-word appears more than 200 times throughout the book ironically did not initially cause much controversy. Which beloved but much challenged book is this?
Moby Dick.
Not Moby Dick, passes through the rest of the team.
Josa.
Uncle Tom's Cabin.
Not the right answer, passes to Peter Panchali.
I'm nominating Debanjan.
Tom Sawyer.
Not Tom Sawyer.
Huckleberry Finn.
The Huckleberry
Yeah,
Finn.
this is Huckleberry.
Hey.
I thought you were going to say Huckleberry Finn.
Yeah, when I thought you were saying.
Even I thought you were saying Huckleberry Finn. It was like 5-5.
Oh, you guys
Okay.
knew it was Huckleberry.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. 5
Yeah.
full confidence. Like 5 out of 5 confidence. Let's go.
Because you said 5 initially. It's okay.
But I know this nigger word appears in Tom Sawyer also.
You're on record now, Debanjan.
So
You'll get racist Me Too like 30 years in the future. Thanks.
yeah, this will get kicked us off Zoom for all you know.
It said the N word.
Yeah, I think it was like historical.
Chalo.
Yeah. Okay. Coming back to Peter Panchali, please select a topic.
5.
Me. I will
Yes.
say I'll go with Turkish food.
Turkish food. First question in Turkish food. Typical Turkish meals begin with a series of tasting plates, usually shared much like Spanish tapas. With this course is called what?
I assume you want the Turkish word, right? Not what the English word for a course that is called.
The French word, probably not.
Okay. Chotus for small eats. Yeah.
So not chotu for a small eat.
Not my-
Anyone else taking this from the team?
Even Debanjan, you want to try?
Okay, I know there's something. Okay, I'll go for it. It's Betus.
No, this is not Bitos or Betus. Millennial factors.
Anybody have a guess? Wala.
Si Josa 3.
Okay, Josa.
Just a guess.
Yeah.
Pasty?
Sorry.
Pasty.
Not pasty as not an antipasti kind of thing. So the answer is
Turkish for small.
meze.
Where is Rao?
Damn, yeah, shit.
Where is Rao?
Arey, shit.
I should have.
Pala
Amazing.
David, nakamute ka.
Meze is a platter, yeah, dude. But I
Yeah.
always assumed it was Middle Eastern.
Mediterranean. And I always thought it was Greek or Mediterranean.
Close enough. Close cultural influences.
Yeah.
So it was.
Okay.
Hey, I had to think of something. I was thinking of future like Tamil and Kannada words and all for small. I couldn't think of anything along like.
Going to Turkish food main.
Yeah.
Yeah. Question number 2. Pie. The dish is essentially meatballs, a combination of ground meat, onions, and breadcrumbs that is grilled. Its origins are nomadic from a time when horsemen carried ground meat in their saddlebags, though the name itself is Persian origin. Which Turkish dish well adapted in India to vegetarian fare?
Okay, for some reason I'll say steak tartar because of the sauce.
Tartar as in the sauce.
Yeah.
Pass
Steak
to
tartar. Okay.
pass to
Nominate Debanjan.
go. Debanjan.
Kofta.
This will get you 1 point. This is kofta kofte.
Nice.
Okay. Millennial factors. Please select
I'll choose chemistry.
chemistry. Question 1 in chemistry. Due to its potential explosion hazard, sodium acide is of use in only in a very limited industrial chemistry. Why does it find use in cars?
In airbags.
That is the correct answer. It's the bomb that creates gas for airbags. Just a minute. Let me just school you on this. Question number 2 in chemistry. Working at Manchester University in 2004, Russian-born scientists Andrei Gain and Konstantin Novoselav used adhesive tapes on graphite and peeled off layers from its block, and then repeatedly peeled off further layers from the original cleaved flake to first create what?
Graphene.
That is the right answer. Full 4 points in chemistry round to millennial factors.
Okay, and there's nothing much. We'll say I'll go with tennis siblings.
You will go with tennis siblings. Okay. Emilio, Javier, and Marisa are the lesser-known siblings of which player? Winner of 14 Grand Slam titles, 4 Olympic medals, and 5 Fed Cup victories.
Emilio, Javier, and Marisa are the lesser known. 14 Grand Slam titles, 4 Olympic. But I'll say Pete Sampras.
Not Pete Sampras. Peter Panchali.
Okay,
guess.
nominating Debanja.
Yeah.
Sabatini, Gabriela Sabatini.
Not Gabriela Sabatini. Passing to millennial factor.
Okay, Josa.
Aranza Sanchez Vicario.
That is the right answer. Aranza Sanchez Vicario.
Spanish, actually Spanish.
Yeah, Spanish. Couldn't think of anyone else. Yeah.
I guess it's going to be Rafael Nadal. That's why when I saw Debanjan was 3, I realized I would have been completely wrong. I went down to 2 or 1.
Okay. Question number 2 in tennis siblings. Jamie Robert Dash is a 7-time Grand Slam doubles winner and a Davis Cup champion. Currently world number 24 doubles player and a former doubles world number 1. Who is his more famous sibling who he teamed up with in 2015 for the Davis Cup victory?
His famous sibling is Andy Murray.
That's the right answer. Millennial factor?
Let's go with general and politician.
General and politician. Going for the first question. Zhu De, a serving army officer, took part in 1911 revolution but soon became a warlord and opium addict. By 1920, however, he converted to communist ideology and was the primary architect along with Mao of which organization?
The People's Liberation Army. The PLA, it's the People's Liberation Army.
I am not sure of that. I will give it to you for this. Now the answer I have is the Chinese Red Army.
Oh, it says just Red Army.
I mean, even if Red Army is there, so I'm not sure if
That's
PLA
okay.
and
If it's just said it's Red Army, that's fine.
LA is Red Army. Cool. It's okay.
I will keep this as doubt and clear it with Movin once the scores have been submitted. But I will give it for now.
So this is a score to MF, is it?
Yeah.
No.
Just a minute, let me just mark.
I don't think it should be a point to us.
Yeah,
it's just Red
different
Army.
things, right? Yeah. Just thinking that.
So what should I do? Should I scrap the question or?
No. Let's just proceed with the second question.
Yeah,
Then,
proceed with the second question.
Maybe just no points for now.
yes.
Okay, all right. Going to general and politician again. He initially fought the British but later reconciled with them, taking on Germany and containing their operations in East Africa. Which personality served in both British wartime cabinets as Prime Minister of his own country over some 3 terms? He is the only person to sign. Okay, Mohan says PLA is okay, you will get points.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. He is the only person to sign both the UN Charter and the Treaty of Versailles.
Winston Churchill.
No, passes to general millennial factor.
Anybody have a guess? Okay, Robbie.
Neville Chamberlain.
Not Chamberlain. Peter Panchali.
Okay, I'll say this is, although it doesn't fit, I'll say Smuts, South Africa.
Which will get you a point. Okay, the last selections.
What do you want? Fictional firms? Because Japan and WW2, I have no idea.
Wait, these are team
This
rounds.
is
right?
team.
Team rounds we can discuss.
Japan and World War II.
Huh?
Japan and World War II.
I say fictional firms.
I'm actually fine with either.
Like choose.
Pandey, take a call. Take a call.
How sure are you, Rao?
That's an area of interest for me.
Okay,
I
cool.
would have definitely seen enough documentaries though.
So, okay, cool.
Let's go.
Let's
Let's go with that. And he listens to that hardcore history.
Japan and World War II.
Japan and World War II.
Japan and World War II. Okay.
I don't like how the onus is on me now, but okay.
It's okay.
You stuck your neck out, Rao.
Question number 1 in Japan and World War II. In the Sook Ching massacre of 42, and anything from 5,000 to 50,000 ethnic Chinese were executed by Japanese in cold blood. Which 19-year-old narrowly survived this atrocity to lead his country for some 31 years?
Hey, this is the.
Oh, we can discuss, right?
We can discuss, right?
Yeah. This is
Pandey, this is that Singapore guy, like?
Oh, Lee Kuan Yew.
Lee Kuan Yew.
No?
Okay, cool.
Fits, yeah. 31 years. Yeah,
31 years ho jayega.
Okay, Pandey, go for
60
it.
to 91, yeah.
Bol do Pandey.
What did you say? I nominate Debanjan. Just tell his name.
Lee Kuan Yew of Singapore.
Which will get you 2 points.
Yeah.
Okay, going back to question number 2 in Japan and World War II. Which unit of the Japanese Imperial Army, which operated both as a military police and a secret police force, oversaw the Sook Ching massacre over 28 January 1942 to 44?
Hey,
to 4 February 1942.
Oh, military police and secret. Damn, otherwise I'm thinking that unit 731. No, maybe.
Yeah, 731 is that's the Mengele equivalent.
Yeah, that's the CIA like MK Ultra level. This one.
If we don't have anything, we'll just say that. I don't mind.
Yeah, if we don't have anything, we'll pull those.
Military police and secret police force. Have you seen any movie where there's a Japanese? They never speak the name of the Japanese secret service. So.
Instead of Gestapo, is this Gestapo? This Japanese.
Make a Gestapo, though.
Make a guess.
Okay, no.
I don't know, dude.
Go with the unit 731. I know that's...
Unit 731 is what Rao said. I'm going with that.
No.
Okay.
That is not. This doesn't pass, right? No, this doesn't.
Yeah.
Is that the Kempeitai?
This is the Kenpeitai.
Oh.
So no points on this one.
What's the answer? Sorry. Just...
Yeah, sorry.
It's the Kempeitai.
Okay. Oh, thank you.
So it comes down to fictional forms for.
We don't have any choice. So
He chooses us.
You don't choose a fictional firm. The fictional firm chooses you. Which airline Sydney to Los Angeles flight 815 crash is the starting point of 6 seasons of the TV series Lost? The fictional carrier has appeared on Elias, Chuck, Fringe, and other TV shows, and prominently in the 1996 film Executive Decision.
Panood nyo na yan?
Has anyone watched this?
No idea.
I'm not sure. Oceanic Airlines or whatever. Just give a random name on it.
Parang ito pero kasi nanood ako ng Chuck pero hindi ko maalala yung airlines dun.
Sige, kung ano,
hindi ko parang Southwest, Southeast.
Yung sinabi na
Southwest is an existing airline.
But
Oceanic Airline yung ano
may
yun.
Northeast ata, parang Northeast.
Northeast?
Any?
Okay, I nominate Joseph.
Okay, well, just a guess. Northeast Airlines.
That is not the right answer. In fact, you should have gone with the other.
Yeah. Oceanic
That was right.
Oh!
You guys should have gone with
I
first
go-
guess.
Yeah, I've gone with that.
Okay lang.
Sorry, David.
Just
Okay.
wait, let me just mark.
Wala akong nanonood. Hindi ako nanonood ng series. Sorry.
Okay, question number 2. Which company's fortunes turned when its sole boat survived Hurricane Carmen and became the king of the shrimp business? A real-life
That's,
seafood restaurant? Yes.
That's the Bubba Gump, right?
Bubba
Bubba Gump.
Bubba Gump.
Bubba Gump. Okay, I nominate David.
Bubba Gump Shrimp Company.
That
From
is the
Forrest
right
Gump.
answer. This is the Bubba Gump Shrimp Company.
Should have gone for the fictional firms.
Hurricane Carmen.
I thought fictional firms would have been law firms or something. I'm like, fuck it.
Harry, can you update us with the score?
Yeah.
We're thinking of the same line.
The scores that I have on my end is 14 for millennial factors and 9 for Peter
9.
Panchali.
Yeah,
Same,
that's
same.
what I have.
Okay. Thank you.
We still have the mystery bag, no?
Yeah.
Stopping sharing for a while to pull up the
Okay.
new one.
Hey, no.
Hey, Hari, mystery bag.
Mystery
Oh
bag.
yeah,
There's
sorry.
mystery bag.
Sorry.
I thought
Thanks.
the link's not working.
Yeah. And mystery bag discussion is allowed, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, same. Yes, it's
Which one do you want?
Okay. Peter Panchali, A or B?
Any, how does it
Yeah.
pick anything?
Okay, pick. We'll go with A.
A for Peter Panchali. Question number 1. What measures the liquidity of a company by
Right.
calculating how little current assets can cover current liabilities? It is calculated by totaling cash and equivalents, account receivables, and marketable investments, and dividing the total by current liabilities.
We are
You are
not looking
literally
at
a
you,
CA. Why you are literally a CA? I will come there and beat you if you don't get it.
This is essentially
What
the
ratio?
This is a working capital ratio on one side because it defines.
That's
Okay, let me just check.
Working
Go with
capital ratio?
I got some names.
Oi, Pi.
Huh?
Is this
What?
working capital ratio?
This is working capital ratio, but they've I think so. No, where divide by the total amount of this one current liabilities.
You'll have to tell
It's
us.
essentially that.
Should I go with working capital ratio?
Go with it, dude. Go with
Okay, working capital ratio.
Okay, that is not the answer I have.
it. Okay. What is the answer?
Why, you are a chartered accountant.
This is a quick ratio. Hey, dude, all these things are the fucking same. Okay, I'm telling you. Even as a chartered accountant, I'm telling you that. This is not the quick ratio, no?
I was thinking runway, like for
Okay,
startups.
go. Ratio, some
So
ratio.
runway is different. Runway is based on expenses. Huh? Quick ratio. Okay, leave. Sorry, my bad.
It's okay. Chalo.
Working
Just
capital
a
ratio
minute.
is also the same. I
Hey,
mean,
no da. Lay. Working
hey,
capital
dude,
and quick ratio are not
working
the same.
capital ratio defined as what you can.
Okay, we can
Okay. We will take this offline.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So the next one. Question number 2. Monsters Incorporated is the sole energy provider to the Monster universe, powering homes in what realm? In that realm,
Again,
using what?
discuss this now. This is fear.
Screams of human.
Fear. No, yeah.
Fear?
Screams of
Fear
human.
or screams? That's what. I haven't seen the movie, but so do they make them scream or is it just fear in general?
They scream. No, the moment they scream really loudly, that entire scream tube actually increases also. Huh?
Or fear? They scream because of fear. I'm asking. Like, I have no
No,
idea.
we can just say both. No, the scream.
Scream because of
the terror.
scream out of fear, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the scream due to the terror of the children is what causes. Is what passed the homes over there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
scream due to terror of the children. They
Screams due to terror of children.
Or whoever are there. And
Scream due to fear.
Screams of children.
Screams of children will get you 2 points.
Yeah.
Question number 3. Which book by Charles Dickens was banned in Nazi Germany for featuring Jewish characters? Ironically, none of these characters were cast in a positive light.
What the fuck, dude?
Oh God.
Broad-based bands.
Do you want to do Chuzzlewit or or Tale of Two Cities?
I have a
back
feeling
in
this is- I have a
Oliver
feeling this
Twist.
is Christmas Carol only, no?
I was thinking Oliver Twist.
Oliver Twist has Fagins, no? But no.
Yeah, and Fagin is Jewish, no?
Fagins is Jewish, no?
Okay.
His description is very racially charged. I remember that. He's
Because
supposed to have a big nose and
Ebenezer
all.
Scrooge, the guy. I mean, Ebenezer Scrooge, the guy. Given the Christmas Carol, the guy is obviously this one. But Liquid Paper, the guy.
The other thing is if none of the characters are like Oliver Twist, other than the main guy and maybe one other person, everyone's an asshole in the book. Right?
Yeah,
That's
true.
also
Okay,
why-
cool.
Okay, go with that. Go with that.
Oliver
Oliver
Twist.
Twist.
Oliver Twist. Okay. The answer is Oliver Twist.
Oliver Twist.
Nice.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, see, I remember the beak nose, dude. I was like, wait, this sounds wrong.
Okay.
Right
nice.
racial profiling. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Millennial factor for
Unmute. Okay.
team round B. Open for discussion. Question number 1. Which book that was banned in Nazi Germany for being demoralizing and insulting to the Wehrmacht had earlier been the basis for an Academy Award-winning film?
Cabaret ba to?
Ano yung Wehrmacht?
Cabaret.
The German
I
army.
mean, German army. Ban Nazi for demoralizing.
Isn't this All Quiet on the Western Front? By
Nazi?
Eric
Nazi?
Maria Remarque.
Di ba World War I?
Nazi,
yun?
War One,
World War I. yun.
Because for being demoralizing and insulting to the Wehrmacht, right?
O sige, pwede.
That's
Sige,
earlier
sige na.
bin. Okay, earlier bin.
Yeah, it should be
Pwede.
Sige.
because it's banned. So
Sige. Okay.
Okay, all quiet.
Sige.
Sige,
go.
David.
David.
our answer will be All Quiet on the Western Front.
That will get you 2 points. Second question on team round B. Which overpriced establishment at Bikini Bottom appears to have just 2 employees? Its sole competitor is called the Chum
Kaya
Bucket.
Oh, that's a Krusty Krab.
Krusty Krab, di ba?
Yes, that's a Krusty Krab.
Okay. Krusty Krab.
Okay. Yes,
Final
the answer is Krusty Krab.
Oh, come on.
Okay,
Sino
going to question 3. When his Andre the Giant has a post-street art campaign ran into copyright issues in 1994, Shepard Fairey switched to a now iconic image showing the wrestler accompanied by which single word?
Isn't this Hope?
Wala, no idea. Pwede.
Because Shepard Fairey made the Barack Obama Hope
Okay, sige.
poster.
Oh, sige. No idea. Sige.
Hope.
Count.
So we'll go with the word Hope.
Okay,
It's
That-
Obey, right?
is this
Not
Ay,
Obey.
Obey.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay lang.
Okay, wait, just a minute. Oh, thank God, I got it right.
Una tayo, di ba?
Mauna tayo.
Okay, so I have updated scores. 18 for millennial factors and 13 for Peter Panchali.
That's right.
I'll just be back in a minute. Huh? 1 second.
Yeah.
can I just take a...
Me too.
Okay,
Yes.
me too also.
Breaking for 2 to 3 minutes.
3 minutes? Okay, cool.
Tap.
That is the
New glasses are out.
Yeah. I thought Devanjan was going to say Huckleberry Finn. Even I would have said
Yeah,
Huckleberry Finn.
man. Yeah, my old lenses finally gave out, so I thought I'll get a design
Okay,
change.
give me a second.
And yeah, I was so sure he was going to say Huck Finn. I was like, okay.
Dude, what was that? Chotu's doing?
Chotu's.
Chotu's.
I had no idea this was Andre the Giant.
Yeah, I had seen this image. I didn't know this was intelligent. I've seen this image before.
Damn, and the Vicario question said Federation Cup, which is like only females play it. I didn't think.
Can you believe I'm illuminated only by my monitors? It was as good as stage lighting at this point.
Waiting for Debo then.
Yep. I have been illuminated by other sources also now. I'm sure Movin has very low opinion of me right now because of the PLA Red Army issue. He had to message me separately saying BLA is the same as Red Army.
It's okay. Have you seen our answers?
Hmm?
We'll have to call Debo, I think. Should I ping Debo?
Just call him.
Just call him, no? I think he'll just step out.
Okay, he's back.
Cool. Should we start?
We'll start? Okay.
Yeah.
Welcome back to Match Day 4, Session 2 of Asian Quiz League between Peter Panchali and Millennial Factors. We will move on to, so no toss here. The first selection goes to Millennial Factors. Go ahead.
Diyos unmute.
Diyos, ikaw na.
Just a minute. Let me just check for something. Okay. Yeah, sorry.
Best foreign film Oscars.
Best foreign film Oscars. Okay. This will be to Diosa. Question 1. Which 69 film is based on the events surrounding the assassination of Grigoris Lambrakis in 63, based on the 66 novel by Vasilis Vassilikos? The film stars Jean-Louis Dash and others.
Z.
That is the right answer. 2 points. Babette's Feast, the first Danish film to win the Oscar for Best Foreign Language Film, was based on a story by which author? A 1985 film based on this writer's work won multiple Oscars.
Okay, just Daphne du Maurier.
No.
Okay, I'll take it. Denison.
Can you say that once more?
Denison.
That will give you 1 point for this. This
Thank
is
you.
Isaac Denison. Peter Panchali.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Deepanjan.
Fruits. I'll take fruits.
Okay, fruits. Just a minute, let me just place you. Going for fruits. Question 1. Honeycrisp, Ambrosia, Pink Lady, Brabant are cultivars of which fruit?
I'll say strawberries.
So we'll pass to Peter Panchali.
Nominate pie.
These are apples.
These are apples.
I thought
Honeycrisp is
Yeah.
most popular variant.
The latest one to come
Oh,
out.
it's apples.
Yeah, I thought apples.
The next question. Ribier, Riesling, Ref, Flame, Muscat are cultivars of which fruit?
Mustard. I'll say dates.
Passing Peter Panchali.
Nominate Rao.
I know Riesling is a wine, so I'll go with grape.
These are types of grapes.
I was half thinking that Mohan would have put apples and oranges kind of thing also. So definitely grape.
Okay, millennial factor selection.
Take Scandinavian literature.
Okay, we will go for Scandinavian literature. Question 1. Written the request of the Swedish school authorities and first published in 1906, The Wonderful Adventures of Nils, that tells a story of 14-year-old Nils Holgersson, was written by whom? The work has been adapted into films and anime.
Cigarette onset.
Sorry?
Cigarette onset.
No. Passing to millennial factor.
Okay, Robbie.
Isn't this Astrid Lindgren?
This is not Astrid Lindgren. Peter Panchali.
No one seems to be anywhere there. Okay. Cool. I'll, for the lack of a better guess, who's there at that time? Who's the, just, I'll have to say something. I'll say Niels Bohr.
Not Niels Bohr. Okay, for non-comp guesses, this is not someone this is not someone whom you would usually associate with the literature.
No,
Alfred Nobel.
No.
Okay, go.
Okay.
Oh, Selma
Oh,
Lagerlöf.
Lagerlöf.
Oh,
I was thinking
wait.
first Nobel, but like couldn't
Right
think.
track ka na, Boss Jun.
I have the wrong answer in the key. I was not expecting this answer at all.
No. What was your answer?
Hey, no.
No, Hari, don't say.
Don't say. That will be something else.
Yeah. 1 minute, then let me pick up. No, that's okay. Second one for Scandinavian literature. So no one gets points for this. Adapted from the Swedish novelist Henning Mankell's Kurt Wallander novels, the British TV series Wallander features which Northern Irish actor as Kurt Wallander?
Northern Irish. No answer. Okay, Joseph.
Daniel Craig.
No, not Daniel Craig. Passes to Peter Panchali.
Nominate Rohit.
I'll go with Jamie Dornan.
This is not Jamie Dornan. Any other non-comp cases? Yeah.
Liam
Okay.
Neeson.
Michael Caine.
No.
Branagh.
Yeah, this is Branagh.
Ah,
Hey,
okay.
yaar.
Oh,
Branagh.
Kenneth Branagh.
Yes, pala siya. Sorry guys.
Problem.
Okay, Peter Panchali selection.
Yes. Okay, I'll go with Charles Dickens.
Charles Dickens. Let me just place you. Okay. Question 1. Oscar Wilde is reported to have remarked that one would have to have a heart of stone to read the death of Dash without dissolving into tears of laughter. Which redacted refers to? The redacted refers to which character of Dickens?
Oh shit, what is that girl's name in Great Expectations? Pass.
Okay, Peter Panchali. What's in your honor?
Nominate Pi.
Yeah, Pi.
Pip.
This is not Pip. Millennial Factor.
Anybody? Is this Dombey?
No. The answer is
Non-comp guess.
Again.
Nell Trent.
This is the girl from Great Expectations. Shit, yes. I was like, who's the girl from Great Expectations?
Miss Havisham.
Okay.
Okay. Question 2. In the Adventures of Oliver Twist, by what name that you might use in the game of archery was Bill Sykes' dog called?
I will go with Bullseye.
That is the right answer. It is Bullseye.
Pipiliin ko.
Okay. Millennial Factor.
Okay, I'll try sequences.
Sequences for Millennial Factors. Question 1. Vengeance wasted X dash. This is not exhausted. Fill in the blanks.
What's that? I'd say youth.
Not you. Pass to Millennial Factors. The rest of the team.
David. Kasi David.
Yesterday?
I will. Yeah. This is Y is for
Hindi ko
yesterday.
maisip kung ano yung Y.
Y is for yesterday. Sugata no.
These are the alphabet
Z
series.
yung alam. Z yung alam ko.
So 1 point for yesterday.
Nice one,
And-
nice one. Yesterday.
Dash, Alexis, Fyodor III, Sofia Alexeyevna. These are not exhaustive. Fill in the blanks for the first one.
Alexis, Fyodor, Sofia, Alexeyevna.
Ako dito.
Alexis. I'd say Ivan II.
Passes to rest of the team.
Okay, Joseph.
Sorry.
Is it Anastasia?
This is not Anastasia. Passes to Peter Panchali.
Okay, we don't have anything. I'll nominate. Okay, I'll nominate Rao. We'll see.
Oh, my answer was Anastasia, but okay. I will go with Eisenstein. Sergei Eisenstein.
Not Eisenstein or Sergei. Okay, any non-com guesses?
This is Potemkin.
This is not Potemkin. This
Alexander
is
II.
Dimitri.
not Alexander II, but yeah, it's along those lines. The
Anna
answer is
Karenina.
Michael. This is the
Oh,
the
Romanov
Romanovs.
starting from 1600s onwards.
Oo nga, Romanovs.
Would you
Michael Romanov.
point for Romanovs?
No.
No, that would be Michael.
Mr. Michael Romanov.
Okay.
Okay, this is selection for Peter Panchali.
Mine, right?
Yeah.
Diseases.
Diseases. Question number 1. Named after the Scottish surgeon who first described the connection between this condition and the facial nerve, the medical condition in which there is a sudden paralysis of the muscles on one side of the face is known by what term?
Is this Bell's palsy? Bell?
That will get you 2 points. 1 minute, let me place you by. Yeah. Question number 2. It's not dash, it's never dash are oft repeated words in the series House MD referring to which autoimmune disease?
It's never lupus.
That is the right answer.
One
It's
episode.
never- except for that one episode.
Yeah.
Okay. Quickly coming back to millennial factor.
Let's go with Asian leaders.
Asian leaders. Question 1. Assassinated on 16th October 1951, who is Pakistan's longest serving Prime Minister? Yusuf Raza Gilani is a close second following the Pakistan Supreme Court's decision to disqualify him as a member of the National Assembly as of April 25th, 2012.
1951. Shastri? I'm not sure.
Pass.
Yeah. Pass.
Pass to the team.
Najibullah.
Pass to Peter Panchali. You're on mute.
Yeah. Is this? I'll nominate myself. Is this Liaquat Ali Khan?
This is Liaquat Ali Khan.
Oh, yeah. Liaquat Ali Khan.
Shastri was Indian.
So their longest
I
serving,
always tend to forget that guy.
their longest serving PM was 4 years. What?
Yeah.
My God.
That is 1 point. Oh, wait, sorry. Mismarked you.
So their longest serving PM didn't complete his term.
Amazing, man.
Okay. Next. Back to question 2. Yeah. Which president of Sri Lanka was assassinated in 93 by a suicide bomber on a bicycle during the May Day parade in the capital city? He is also served as prime minister between 78 and 89.
Kumaratunga?
No, not Kumaratunga. Rest of the team.
Pero kayo? Sige, Robby.
Wala.
Wala. Josa? Wala. Bandaranaike.
Not Sirima Bandaranaike. Passes to Peter Panchali. Yeah.
Is this Premadasa?
This is Premadasa.
Yeah.
Premadasa.
I was expecting Pandey to get this.
Yeah, I was like, yeah, this is straight up Pandey's idea.
Yeah.
Okay, Peter Panchali. 3 topics left.
Look at the topics.
I think I know what Pandey will pick.
And
Surprise us, Pandey.
okay, we will go with WWE so that at least others left by team.
I'm so
Entertainment
glad
for
this
everyone.
call is being recorded. Pandey.
That is because this is sport. Huh.
No, thank you.
Okay, question 1 to Sachin Deshpande in WWE. Which WWE superstar provided the voice for Ferdinand in the 2017 animation film Ferdinand? His finishing move is also referred to as attitude adjustment.
This is The Rock, Dwayne Johnson.
This is not The Rock. Dwayne Johnson comes to the rest of the team.
Okay, nominating Debanjan.
Yeah, Debanjan.
CM Punk.
No. This is not. Coming to
Hey, Josa.
Millennial Factor.
Josa.
Yeah.
Steve Austin.
Sorry? No, not Steve Austin.
Is this
John Cena.
Jericho?
Is this
It's not
Roman
just
Reigns?
Cena.
Yeah,
John Cena.
non-comp. This was John Cena.
John Cena.
Dude, I just want to see now.
Really?
Yun sana hula ko.
Ferdinand is
Parang
the
ako
bull who
nagtaas.
doesn't want to
Is it not
bullfight.
Roman Reigns or something?
I thought RR Roman Reigns.
Romano. Oh, Johnson.
Oh, John
Johnson.
Cena. Is it?
So this is the bull who doesn't want to bullfight.
Yeah,
That
I
was
know that, but
Ferdinand.
I've not seen the movie.
Oh yeah.
That's
He looks
actually probably why, because that's John Cena. You can't see me.
Okay, question 2 to Sachin. Professional wrestler Dave Bautista portrays which character in MCU's 2014 Guardians of the Galaxy? This character's wife and daughter are killed on order of Thanos.
Okay. Okay, I have. I will say someone like Odin or something like that.
He did not have a daughter killed.
Okay, I will nominate Rohit Rao.
What, dude? Drax.
Yeah, that is the right answer.
Pandey and Ent is like
This
the
is-
worst combination.
This is Drax the Destroyer.
What do you expect me to get?
Wait, where is Rao? Okay, putting in points for.
Pandey, how many Marvel movies have you seen?
One, the first ever. Where they eat shawarma afterwards. That's all.
Pandey, set a Marvel quiz, please, for us.
He'll do
Okay,
it.
just a quick points check at this point. Are millennial factors on 22?
I have them as 22. Yeah.
Millennial factors, do you have yourself as 22?
Yeah, same.
Yeah. Okay, and
Peter Panchali, 24, right?
Peter Panchali at 24. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
I misplaced
So
you. I
so
misplaced Peter Panchali one column to the right, so my score doesn't auto tabulate anymore, but scores are there.
Soviet program tayo. Ano?
Yeah, let's go with the anti-capitalist space program.
We go for Soviet.
Okay, so we're off to the gulag with you. Question number 1. After the Edict of Emancipation in 1861, this term was used to refer to a Russian peasant community that owned its own land. Translated as world, peace, or village. What term?
Mir, di ba?
Familiar?
Yeah,
Mir.
that's Mir.
That is,
We will answer Mir.
yeah, that is Mir. Let me put points.
These are 2 each, right?
Yeah, these are 2 each. In June 71, Georgy Dobrovolsky, Ladislav Volko, and Viktor Patsayev became the first people to die in space aboard the Soyuz 11 while returning to Earth from which space station launched in 71. The word is also used as a greeting in Russian.
Salute.
Yes, this is salute.
Okay, salute. Salute.
Yeah, this was not open for discussion.
May number
is open.
yata.
This
May
was
number
open.
ba?
Yeah,
Yes,
this is
yes,
open.
This was open, Hari.
This was open. Okay.
This is open for
I
discussion.
Salute,
thought
diba?
there
Because
was one more. Sorry.
No, this is already team.
Sure,
This is
Morgan, I will do
The
that.
answer is salute. Yeah.
Salute.
Salute for 2. Yeah. Okay, that gives Peter Pansali Raptors. Question 1, team round. Part of the name of a bird of prey, what word is also defined as having a tendency to wander?
This could be, so where we can discuss, right?
Yeah,
I think this is peregrine, right?
Yeah, so
peregrine falcon. Yeah.
Yeah, peregrine.
Very
right?
pathetic peregrine.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So
Answer is
peregrine falcon.
Okay,
Peregrine.
all right.
The word is peregrine.
Word is peregrine. Going back to raptors. The name of these raptors is inspired from what creatures in Greek mythology which had the body of an eagle and the face of a human? Found in Central and South America, identify these large birds that have dark gray feathers and large talons.
Body of an eagle and face. These are harpies, right?
Harpies.
Yeah.
Harpy eagle. Harpy eagle is
Wait, Harpy eagle, isn't it named after some guy called Harpy?
No.
No.
Mythology.
Named after harpies.
Okay,
Dark
cool.
gray feathers and
Body
I
of
think
an
harpy.
eagle and face
Yeah,
of a
yeah. The large talons and dark gray feathers fits for
Yeah,
Harpy.
harpy eagle is a grey large.
What is the thing? These are these. If you played God of War and all, these are these ugly things that come and start screwing.
Hey, no. I don't want all that. Harpy is correct.
Harpy is our best guess.
Boldo.
Harpy eagle.
Correct. This is harpy eagle, giving you 2 points. Okay, before we go to the final rounds for both teams, quick update. 26 for millennial factors.
Yeah. Correct.
And 28 for Peter Pansali.
Okay.
So, guys, anong gusto nyo? Tayo na yung mag-choose ng team ng round natin.
Kahit ano,
Whatever floats your boat, just go.
Vote na lang natin, vote.
Kahit ano, sige. Wala namang sisi.
A na lang tayo, A.
Okay. A, which is A.
Which is A.
You choose A. Okay. All right. Question number 1 on team round A. The 2011 film, A Separation, and the 2016 film, The Salesman, titles translated into English, are directed by which Middle Eastern film director? The 18th film, Todos Iosaben, or Everybody Knows, starring Penelope Cruz and Javier Bardem, was directed by him.
Asghar Farhadi.
Yes.
Okay, nominate Robbie.
Asghar Farhadi.
This is Asghar Farhadi. Question 2. Dash, Arizona, Alaska, Hawaii.
Sunod-sunod to. Last.
Yung pangapat.
Hawaii, Alaska, Arizona.
Ano bang
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko sunod.
Colorado?
No, Colorado is a Centennial State. That's not Colorado.
So, hindi.
New Mexico.
Nevada. Ano pa? New Mexico.
Western to, western.
Yeah, wait. Not Montana, not Idaho, not Iowa.
New Mexico. Ano pa bang iba
Oklahoma.
doon?
Not Oregon, not Washington either.
My guess is New Mexico.
Probably we can go with New Mexico.
Okay. We go with New Mexico.
Good thing we went with New Mexico. Okay, last question for team round. Why na?
Kalevala yan. Kalevala.
This is the Kalevala.
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 Okay. That's the answer?
Yes. Kalevala.
This is the Kalevala. Full 6 points in the last lap for millennial factors. That leaves us with team round B for Peter Panchali. Question 1. Meaning dawn or sunrise in Russian, which spacecraft was part of the Soviet Union space program for human spaceflight and was a follow-up to the Vostok spacecraft?
What is the follow-up to Vostok? What else were there, guys?
Default guesses are gone already. Mir is gone.
No, what is there? Sputnik?
Mir.
Sputnik is Traveler. What is Soyuz?
Companion, no?
Yeah, Soyuz we can go.
Sputnik is companion.
Yeah.
Yeah, but do we have anything else?
Yeah, Soyuz we can say.
Can't think of anything else. And Soyuz hasn't come up in the past. So.
Okay. We'll go with Soyuz then.
Soyuz.
No, the answer is Voshkod instead of Vostok.
Okay.
Question 2. After a character in Charles Dickens' novel Martin Chuzzlewit, who has a holier than thou attitude, and what word is used as noun meaning an unctuous hypocrite? Named.
I haven't heard of this novel till today. What is Martin Chuzzlewit?
I've just heard of it. I've never read anything.
Oh wait, so it says it's named after this guy Martin Chuzzlewit.
No.
It's named after a character in Martin Chuzzlewit.
It's what would you call an hypocrite? Anything on hypocrite?
Yes, hypocrite.
No?
I have no idea. Sorry.
Pai, do you have anything?
Can't think of anything though.
I'll say the Chuzzlewit himself. Chuzzlewit.
No, this is Pecksniff.
Congrats.
Not heard of it.
Anyway, congrats.
Huh?
Congrats is what I said.
Yeah.
Also known as the bearded vulture, the common one-word name for which large old word vulture comes from German for lamb and vulture. Lamb vulture, okay. It is known to drop bones from heights in order to access the marrow.
But old world.
Old world is here, right? One of
Old world is here,
yeah.
Common one word.
German for lamb, you'd have probably come across it somewhere on some menu or something.
Shank. No.
Mustard. No.
Thomas Peck. Peck is bacon.
Any idea, guys?
Which are the vultures that hang around Tibet and Nepal where they do the sky burial?
No idea, dude.
No idea. Well, the only thing I think of is condor, but the condor is a New World vulture also. Huh?
No idea. Sorry.
Okay, I'll say vulture, no? Bearded vulture. I'll say, what else is there? No, dude, Skeletor or something like that.
Bearded vulture.
We don't have any guess. Hurry, pass it.
Okay. This one is called Lammergeier. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think, sorry, with German, we should just go with lamb. Add a few more sounds or something. Rachi gotten close.
Yeah. Chalo. That means.
Thank you, guys.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats, guys.
Bye.
Well done.
Thank you.
Well done.
Good fun.
Good fun.
Bye.
Wait, just
Hurry, you have the
a
final
minute.
score.
So final scores are 28 for Peter Panchali and 32 for Millennial Factors.
Okay.
That's right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You just send this to
Thank you.
Mohan. That's all.
Yeah, I'm sending this to you.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Stay safe.
Thank you, guys.
Bye.
A nice game. Nice game.
Thank you.
You guys.